neighborhood accident over here, huh? I was wondering why there's so much traffic. Oh boy. So we got this car, that car, and this car, and this van. There we go. That was frustrating as fuck. But now there should be no traffic. Ladies and gents, we're on a quick little ride through New York City. Just witnessed the accident, and I'm headed to far, far away lands of the Catskill Mountains. Anyway, just wanted to do a little vlog for you boys and girls. And there was a question that was floating around about a bunch of different things. And now I can't think of them. A lot of the questions are about the usual stuff like, what bike would I ride if it wasn't a Ducati? Where would I live if it wasn't New York City? You know? What do I do for a living? All these personal questions. So might as well just answer a couple of them, whatever I think of. Because these questions have come up before, and they're not the funnest gas tank questions, but we can tackle them normally. So here we go. What motorcycle would I ride if it was not a Ducati? Tough question. Tough question. Oh no, we got freaking traffic again. And there it is. Nowadays I just cheat and I actually enter through this hole here. I mean, honestly, I don't even know. I would imagine it'd be some sort of a European bike, probably some sort of a BMW or maybe even a Triumph, you know. I hate to say it. I'll get a street triple. Street triple is kind of the kind of speed I would go. Obviously there is also you know, GS's and other things. Can I do a high five, sir? High five? No. But yeah, it'll be a bunch of different brands. I can't really answer that one. Sorry, ma'am. And if I had to live somewhere else other than New York City, couldn't answer that either. The vlog of non-answers. I've always lived in a city. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm originally from Moscow, born and raised. I was there till I was 13 years old. And the city is all I know. That's why I enjoy the Catskills so much. A nice little escape, if you will, to the faraway lands, the mountains. I probably live in a city. I probably live in a different city. Maybe like, I don't know, Denver? Random. San Francisco? No. I don't know where I would live. A big, juicy city. Ooh, that's a nice blue right there. Yep. What do I do for a living? Ooh, I'm a bookkeeper, an accountant, a financial manager. That's what I do. I count money all day, every day. All day, every day, I just count money. Budget things. Somebody asked me about my goals for this vlog and what do I try to accomplish. And you know, for a while now I've just been fucking using this thing as a journal. This is just a journal. This is just how I feel that day. And I'm so lucky that I actually, you know, have collected a couple of sponsors along the way. There's obviously a little bit of monetary gains, not much. I mean, I only have 35,000 subscribers, so it's not doing this for cash money, that's for sure. But yeah, like even the suit that I'm wearing, you know, this beautiful Aether apparel Gore-Tex Pro Divide suit, and a bunch of other stuff. But it's nice to be acknowledged. Bridgestone tires, for example, you know, all sorts of things. Very thankful for that. So, but yeah, like obviously I do kind of like I have bursts of excitement. Like sometimes I do want to collabo, sometimes I do want to work on special projects. Actually I have a few special projects in the works. But I'm also, you know, I've been doing this for a long time and I'm getting older. So I do what I like. And I don't do what I don't like. That's why you see the content you see. And I don't force myself to make shit I don't like. Like even the reviews, you know, like I review some things, but mostly only things that I actually use. Things I actually enjoy. I don't need to review freaking things I don't need. And, you know, it's fun. It's fun. And it's nice to interact with all of you. Because, believe it or not, I made a couple of friendships along the way here. Couple of friendships along the way. That's a beautiful thing as well. Where? And oh, also somebody asked me if I could ride in any other country. Where would I ride? I mean, anywhere. I would love to ride literally just about anywhere. Any country. Any country is fine for me. First on a list, I mean, I would do like Italy, you know, all those spots that everybody dreams about, that pass, Silno Pass, Silvo Pass, whatever, or just go to like the Ducati factory and all that, just cruise around, you know. I would do France, go along the coast there, probably mad tourisms, probably lose my mind. Ooh, my neck, that's it for some reason. What else? Yeah. All those places would be lovely. It would be super fun. That said, man, I got so many projects going on right now. Got a couple of things going on. I've been spending a lot of money. I need to reel it in. I keep meaning I need to buy the new GoPro, the Max. This fucking guy. The Max 2 is the GoPro that I want. see. I'm basically gonna take you guys all the way to the bridge here. Brakes are smelling. Somebody's brakes are fucking cooked. Oops. Go up like this. Literally saved half an hour already. That traffic was brutal. I was wondering why it was happening. I didn't think I was gonna get through it. Jeez Louise. Why is everybody so upset? Jesus Christ. People in cars are just fucking doomed to be stuck forever. Part of me wants to record some videos. Oh boy. I mean like tripod videos, spot reviews. Spot reviews are not super hitting right now. They're not as big of a hit as I thought. Oh boy. Go ahead, bro. Why do you want to turn? You literally don't want to turn. This is the place to be. Here we go. Now we go to the right. Get on ahead. Come on, baby. Beautiful. All right, well, that's pretty much it, because now I'm about to hit the bridge. Quick little vlog inspired by the crash, and I covered a question or two. Those were supposed to be gas tank questions, but they ended up being just a regular vlog questions. I'm sorry, I'm not really locked in on exactly the other bikes that I want besides Ducatis, because I really only just want Ducatis to BH. I don't even want the other bikes. For now, I'm content with Ducatis. It's such a blessing to be just happy with the bike that you have. You know what I mean? Dickhead. Fucking loser, man. These people, man. Okay, come on. Pull up ahead. Alright. Really, bro? That's how you're gonna play me? Banana. And your fucking silly Suburban. Anyway, that was the vlog. A cranky little vlog that was semi-informative. Maybe. And now I'm just gonna take it to New Jersey, Palisades, all that shit. Bye.